When purchasing a multi-zone ductless mini-split system, you need to match the capacity of your air handler to the size of each assigned zone. In this video, we're going to show you how to use our website filters to help you find the mini-split indoor unit matchup that fits your installation plan. Visit hvacdirect.com and navigate to Ductless Mini-Split in the top navigation, or Mini-Split Systems from the home page. From there, select the number of zones you are planning on having installed, from dual zones to 9 zones. Once you do that, on the left, you'll notice filters to select manufacturer, mini-split type, for indoor air handler units, and then indoor units. You will see some numbers that look like math problems. These numbers represent matched mini-split systems in a variety of capacities. For instance, 6 plus 6 plus 12 means this is a 3-zone system that includes air handlers with capacities of 6,000, 6,000, and 12,000 BTUs. Since these are matched up system configurations, the included condenser will be appropriate for the BTU requirements of all the zones combined. Once you decide on a combination, the products now listed may seem the same except for price, but there may be differences in air handler type and features. While being the same size, some systems have additional features or options that affects the price. hvacdirect.com has a full range of ductless mini-split systems to choose from. Feel free to give us a call or chat with us online. Check out our other videos to learn more. Be sure to like hvacdirect.com and subscribe to our channel. We always welcome feedback and questions in the comment section below.